Hey guys, in this video we're going to be reviewing Zadarma. Is it the best VoIP for small businesses in 2025? Okay, so basically this is a cloud-based phone system designed to streamline your communication. But is it really the best option for your business? Let's break it down, okay? First, I'll explain to you what exactly Zadarma is. Zadarma basically offers Cloud BPX, which is a virtual phone number, right? Call forwarding, recording, even CRM integrations. It's basically built for businesses needing an affordable and flexible phone system that works remotely. Plus, it also supports automated responses and click to call features, basically making customer interactions smoother. So let's also break down the pricing. So standard, so less than 5 members is $0 a month, which is free. That's good. Office, 2 to 6 members, $39 a month if you get an annual plan. And if you get the monthly plan, it's $44 a month. Corporation, 5 to 20 members, $79 a month. And if you play the annual plan, and $88 a month if you pay monthly. Okay, so definitely you're getting a discount when you pay for the annual plan. Now, the virtual phone numbers actually start at $2 per month, and call rates depend on the location. Now, let's go over some pros and cons based on reviews. So, one of the pros is that the pricing is affordable compared to the competitors, right? The virtual numbers, they're easy to set up worldwide. They have integrations with Zoho, Salesforce, Bitrix24, and more. And also has a good voice quality when the system is running smoothly. Now, I'll also go over some of the cons as well, because it has to be balanced. So they do have customer support issues, right? Because some users actually, report unresponsive service. Look at this one, right? They also have verification problems where, accounts can go offline unexpectedly for verification, basically affecting a business call. And it also has a little bit of a complex UI. So setting up features like call recording is not always intuitive, right? But is Zadarma the best for you for 2025? If you're a small business looking for an affordable VoIP with CRM integrations, I would say it's worth considering. But if you prioritize strong customer support and an intuitive platform, well, go for alternatives like Five9 or Call Tools. Those might be better off for you. So it depends what you're looking for exactly. So let me know, guys. Would you try Zadarma? Are you leaning towards another VoIP provider? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe to Find a Solution. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.